4 hours it went down over 1.5 inches, I bet, 2 inches. You could see kind of like.
It's still fucking kicking ass. I'm gonna put this window
It's fucking scary, dude.
Fuck yeah, here we go, river crossing.
I don't know, dude. Hold on a second. We might not be river crossing.
We're gonna get this shit going. Here we go. Yeah.
No, I mean, I'm fucking scared. Like, I'm tripping balls.
That's what was that?
We're gonna fucking lose my truck, dude.
No, dude, keep going.
I'm gonna fucking lose my truck, dude.
Don't lose, you're not gonna lose it.
I'm losing it, dude.
You're going. Yeah. Fuck yeah, we're doing it. That's how you do that shit. Fuck yeah.
Fuck you, Al. I'm not fucking coming here tomorrow, dude. I don't even know if we're gonna get back. Motherfucking, oh my god, dude.